Good morning everybody, and welcome to the start of another new episode. It's day 72 of lockdown, and as you can hear, it's raining. Now, we were warned yesterday that the weather was going to change, and it certainly has. If this is your first time on the channel, then thanks for joining us. Do remember to click on the subscribe button down below, and don't forget to click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on my next video. Right, well, we're just heading over to the den area where I placed the camera back on the fence post last night, so we'll quickly grab that and then get back under the shelter of the woodland. I just want to give a shout out to my mum and dad, because whilst I've been using the Apeman H55 wild camera, they've been using my Victure HC100 in their garden at home, and recently they've been in touch to let me know that they've had a little bit of a success. Right, I just want to tell you about a little gadget that I've been using for quite a while now. It's a little adapter that I plug into my iPhone, and then you plug your SD card into the adapter, and it basically allows you to upload any clips you may have captured using your wildlife camera directly to your phone. Really quick, dead easy to do, and it just allows you to check your footage on a slightly better screen than the one that comes built into the camera. It also allows you to then use your footage on social media, or you can mail it or post it or message it to your friends and family. When I come to edit my videos, I just plug the SD card into the back of my Mac PC for normal editing. But when you're out in the field, this is a really handy little device that just lets you quickly check your footage before doing all your editing. I'll put a link down in the description where you can have a look at that. This particular device is only for iOS devices such as your iPhone and your iPad. They may do one for Android devices, but I'm not sure. I've never had an Android device, so I've gone for the iOS version. But yeah, take a look. It's a really useful little gadget. Good morning everybody, and welcome to day 73 of lockdown, and this the second part of the episode. It's quite cool this morning, just out in the field. Last night, whilst placing the camera back on the fence post, I met up with an old friend, and they didn't say a great deal, and I didn't do a lot of moving around, but nevertheless it was a sighting, close up and personal, so that was good to see. So as you all know, I spend quite a lot of time in these fields, and I very often pick up fox scent. I've done that quite a few times, but imagine my confusion when I'm walking around my apartment and I pick up some fox scent. Couldn't work it out. Anyway, after 5 minutes of wandering around and sniffing, I traced it to my trousers that were on my bedroom floor, that I would normally wear when I go out into the fields and do my walks. And what had happened, or what I'm assuming, when I've been out that previous morning in the long grass, there was a lot of scent about, and it was quite damp. My bottoms of my trousers were quite damp, and I think I've picked up some of the fox scent. It's rubbed off onto the trousers. So I had a sniff at the bottom of my trousers, and sure enough, fox scent. And even this morning, I've got changed this morning to come out, and as I was sat down putting my walking shoes on, I could smell the scent on the bottoms of my trousers. Mad, but there you go. So I'm wondering now, as I've been wandering around, I'm going, oh, fox scent. might just be me. It's not. Right, let's carry on. I've been reading up on young foxes, and it seems that sort of around this time, the young fox will stay predominantly around the den area, and will just sort of learn new skills. It'll sniff around and check the area that's around the den, just looking for little scraps of food, and they'll just stay around the den area. But around sort of mid to end July, that's when they start wandering out slightly bit further with the parent, and they just keep going further and further afield until they become independent, and then they just start going out on their own looking for food. So over the next couple of weeks I'm going to be placing the camera back on the fence post quite a lot, just to see if I can catch the youngster with one of the parents. So I may not be putting lots of footage in over the next couple of weeks, because you've seen the fox around that area on several occasions. So unless something out of the ordinary comes up, then I'll just put a brief clip to show that we have got some footage. But yeah, until we get something really good, then we'll just be doing that. And I'm picking fox scent up again. Is it my trousers or is it the fox? Well, initially it was the fox. You get what I mean. Right, come on, let's keep going. Right, okay, that's it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed that one. If you did, give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, and hit the subscribe button up here, or the one down below. Always leave your comments, and don't forget to click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on my next video. Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next episode.